Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Node AI GPU coin. To get this token, open up your browser and log on to CarMarketCap.com. The link is in the description of the video. Simply scroll down and copy its Ethereum contract address. We're copying this for the decentralized exchange, and then scroll down a bit more till you get to the market section. And on the market section, you can find where it's being traded. At the top spot, we have the decentralized exchange for Uniswap, and at the third position we have the centralized exchange being Mexi. So I'll be showing you how to get it both on decentralized and centralized. So now minimize and open up your Mexi application. Once you've opened up the Mexi, make sure you have an account on the platform. If you do not, use our link in the description to stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses and gifts when you register and verify using our link. So guys, once you're on Mexi, you're verified. How can you get yourself some of the Node AI GPU coin? It's quite easy. All you need to do is head to the wallet section, and at the overview, simply click on deposit to deposit any cryptocurrency such as USDT or cryptos that can be converted into the USDT on the platform so you can buy the GPU coin. Or you could simply head over to the fiat option, and then by using buy crypto, you could buy your crypto either from you could buy your crypto with your credit card or a bank transfer or a P2P transaction. It all works the same. All you need to do is enter an amount in your local currency and then click on buy with the steps provided. Now, once you've gotten yourself some crypto, head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen where we have this DSYNC or whatever cryptocurrency is shown. Click on this option and then simply search for GPU. So search for GPU USDT, click on GPU USDT, set your trading style to market. This helps us buy at the current price of the market without having to adjust or set any trading patterns such as the stop loss or take profit. Now all you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you wish to buy the coin for, and then click on buy GPU. And then when you head to the wallet section, scroll to the spot and perform a reload, you'd find the Node AI GPU coin on your wallet. Now, if you're looking to get this cryptocurrency on a decentralized exchange, open up your MetaMask. So once you've opened up the MetaMask wallet, make sure you have some Ethereum, as this token exists on the Ethereum network and you're going to be needing Ethereum for transactions. So simply click on buy ETH, and then you could proceed to buy via the options provided, such as Google Pay, your debit card, and a bank transfer. It works the same with a centralized exchange where you use your local currency to get cryptocurrency. So once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum, head to the browser section and simply search for app.uniswap.org. So once there, make sure you use the connect option at the top right corner of the screen to simply connect your wallet to the platform. So once your wallet is connected, where we have Ethereum and DY Sync, click on this and simply paste the contract address we had copied earlier from CoinMarketCap. With the contract address for Node AI showed, click on Node AI, click on I understand, and then simply enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to purchase this token for, and simply click on buy or swap, and then pay the gas fee of $1. And if you head back to your wallet, click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, paste the contract again and click on next, and then you would find the token symbol and the decimal is shown, and then it says Node AI, so click on import, and boom, after this your tokens would be deposited here from Uniswap, and all you need to do is reload and you'd find it on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.